Ooh, this is fun.
What's that?
Sealand is a self-declared micronation on an abandoned British World War II sea fort located 7 nautical miles east of the English shoreline. Sealand declared their independence in 1967. They established their own monarchy and postal system, and they even suffered from several coup attempts.
That is fun.
I think I read about that. Didn't they issue their own stamps?
Yeah, they did. Do you think we could do something like that here?
Yeah, that would be cool.
How hard could it be?
Nothing good can come of this. Count me out.
Okay. And with that, the free nation of Match Factoria is born. Our fond thanks to the United States government for their understanding in this matter.
Couldn't have gone smoother.
Now, the first order of business is, of course, stamps.
Of course.
Now, I was thinking that...
Viva Match Factoria!
I think Jeff is on a delay, but if you don't mind, I have this idea for a stamp.
Not to interject, but I might have been kicking around an idea myself.
Okay, here's what we'll do. We will each come up with our own submission for a stamp, and then we'll have everyone vote on it. After that, the winner will be our first stamp.
The free people of Match Factoria will be heard.
Can't we design our own stamp?
Catch up, Jeff.
Yeah, Jeff!
Come on, Jeff!
Now, let's get to work. Do you think you could have your submissions to me by next week?
Sure.
Totally.
We should have a vote.
Jeff! Thank you for joining us on this momentous occasion. One day, you'll be able to tell your grandchildren that you were there when the philatelic world changed. So now, without further ado, let's unveil our candidates.
My submission represents the unification of past, present, and future, not only of the Match Factory, but of Match Factoria, with the match of history lighting the lamp of knowledge for a brighter tomorrow for all.
Yeah, I guess that's a stamp. Okay, Chad?
My future stamp for Match Factoria is all about the bits, the wave of the future. Bits shall be the next wave of the millennials and the decades to come. Thank you.
That was not exactly what I had in mind. But anyway, we still have one more stamp to unveil. Buckle your seatbelts. I mean, right?
This is so exciting. I can't wait to see them.
You should have seen their designs. It's like they weren't even trying. We have an opportunity to make a fresh start here. But it's like they're determined to repeat the mistakes of the past.
I don't have time for this.
You're right. There's no time. I can't let this happen. It's my duty to make sure this doesn't happen. Today, we take a bold step forward for philately. Last night, I personally counted every vote from the fine people of Match Factoria. With 78% of the vote, the winning stamp will no doubt assert our commitment to profound ideals. Now, please show the world who Match Factoria is.
What?
You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, I'd like to see the ballots before we go to print.
The people of Match Factoria have spoken, and I, for one, embrace their decisive action.
I hope this is not the skeleton one.
employees have lost their minds. I don't know what's gonna happen to me. I mean, to Match Factoria.
I have work to do. Don't you have work to do?
No, the February issue of the AP is done, so Match Factoria is my work now.
And what about the March issue?
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I see what you're saying now.